All right, lesson 1.6, order and absolute value. We're not going to take any longer than we need to on this lesson. Pretty much number lines, we've talked about those before. You should know. And if not, just draw a straight line with some other little tiny hash marks on it, and there you go, you got it. All right, absolute value. That's what happens when, let me clear my frame. Oh no, please hold. We're in business. Okay. Absolute value is, we represent that by drawing two straight lines around something inside. So let's take -6 and +6. Now, this is as simple as I can make it. Absolute value says, in English, we're doing it in English now, whatever is in between the lines, make it positive. So let's take a look at this first one. This reads the absolute value of -6. That's how we read it in English. And so we say, whatever's inside the lines, make it positive. So what would it be? 6. Great. Over here, the absolute value of 6. That's how we read it. Make whatever's inside the lines positive? 6. That's great. That's all you need to know about absolute value. Or that's as simple as you need to make it. Now, here's the exception. It only works if we have one term on the inside. For example, if we have 13 minus 5, this is not what we do. We go, oh, make everything positive, step 1. Now we add, well, if we made it positive, we get rid of these bars. And now we add. What's 13 plus 5? 18. No, that is not what we do. This is the proper way to do this issue, or this problem. 13 minus 5. We treat it like parentheses. We do what's on the inside first. 13 minus 5 gives us 8. What's the absolute value of 8? Make it positive, 8. That is the correct way to do it. So we can only make it positive once there's one term inside. We cannot do it when there's two. And that also applies to if we have variables. Say we had x minus y. That does not mean that we can make both of them positive like this. No. If we're stuck with, oh, I didn't do that. If we're stuck with this, that's as simple as we can make it. We just leave it. We can only use our absolute value rule if there is one thing inside of the bars. All right. Enough said. Bye.